everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a huge tie-dye series. So today I am doing a tie-dye heart. It's gonna be so cool. I've always wondered how people make those designs on the shirt with tie-dye. I'm gonna show you in this video. Go check out some of my other tie-dye designs down below. But let's get started. Here are some of the tie-dye bottles that I have used in the past. So I really like these. These are the jumbo bottles. They will last forever. I recently bought these and they've got a very fine tip at the top right there. And these are used for like shoes or if you want to tie-dye backpacks. Recently I got this kit. It's the one-step tie-dye kit. The reason I like this is because it has so many different awesome colors. The bottles are small though. There's powder inside and you have to add water to it. It does come with like a cute little kit too. So first you're gonna grab your shirt. You're gonna fold it in half. Grab a pencil or a fabric marker that can wash off. And we're gonna go ahead and do half of a heart. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, this is what mine looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get this wet. Don't get it drenched, just a little damp. Be right back. All right, I am back. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna show you where to put the rubber bands. I do recommend to use like a fabric marker because as you guys can see, it did erase some of the pencil. Let me just go back in. Now we're gonna do an accordion fold around. So we're gonna start on this side and you're just kind of gonna fold around where the heart is. And just get right to the end right there. And we're gonna put the rubber band where you folded everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap it around. Make it nice and tight. All right, so I'm just gonna double check if it's around the whole entire heart here. And you can move the rubber band. So this is kind of what it looks like, a little ghost. So now I'm gonna add some more rubber bands to it because we want some different colors around the heart. So I'm gonna add another rubber band, about 1 inch on top of that one. And then the rest, this is the whole entire shirt. This is one color. This is the color around the heart. And this is the heart color right here. All right, so I'm gonna pick out some colors. I am actually gonna do a light pink, and a darker pink and a purple for this one. I'm just gonna put on my gloves because my hands get so stained doing these. All right, we're gonna take our shirt, put it right on my rack, and I have kind of this storage container that you guys all know of. So this kind of, the ink drips down so it doesn't get all over my shirt, which is so nice. Let's go ahead and start with the darker pink. So that's gonna be the heart. And go where the rubber band is right there. And just kind of turn it over, get it on the other side. I'm just crossing my fingers that this heart is gonna turn out. And we want no white spots. Okay, all right, this is gonna be the lighter pink. It's gonna look so awesome. And then the whole entire shirt is going to be purple. It's gonna be a dark purple color. And I'm actually gonna use a lighter purple to fill in the white areas. This is gonna actually make it look really awesome. This is what it looks like. I have a feeling this is gonna look really awesome. So I'm gonna let this soak for 24 hours. I mean, you can do 18, you can do 16, you can even do 10 if you really want. And then we're gonna wash it in cold water and we're gonna see what it will turn into. All right, you guys, so this was soaking for 24 hours. Let's just see if this turned out. All right, here we go. Let's see if there's a heart. Okay, that is so cool. Look at the pink heart. I wish I added more of the light pink around it, but I really like how it's white around it too. Now you could either throw this in the wash, don't use any detergent, just cold water, or you can just scrub this by hand yourself with cold water. You just have to make sure you have all of the ink out of here. So let's do that. I really scrubbed this with my hands in cold water. Make sure the water runs clear or almost close to clear. I'm gonna throw this in the dryer and then I'm gonna try it on and you guys will see the final result. All right, you guys, this shirt really turned out. We've got the pink heart in the middle, the white around it, and then it's purple with that light purple all around it. Loving the colors. I wish there was a little black in here too, but that's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go check out my other tie-dye videos. I've been doing a whole bunch. I'll have them down below and at the end of this video. And until next time, bye.